Hello everyone, and welcome back to Digital Minds. Today, we have an exciting topic that many of you have been requesting: how to improve English speaking. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to refine your skills, we've got you covered with 10 proven tips for achieving fluency. So, let's dive right in. The first and perhaps most important tip is consistency. To truly master English speaking, you must practice regularly. Dedicate a specific time each day to engage with the language. Immerse yourself in English. Watch English movies, TV shows, and listen to music or podcasts. This will help you get used to the rhythm and intonation of the language. Speaking with native speakers is invaluable. Consider language exchange programs or online platforms to find language partners. Engaging in real conversations can significantly boost your speaking skills. Joining English speaking clubs or meetup groups in your area is another fantastic way to practice with fellow learners and experienced speakers. It's a supportive and engaging environment. Reading aloud is an effective technique to improve pronunciation and fluency. Pick up English books, newspapers, or articles and read them aloud regularly. Use language learning. Take advantage of language learning apps like Duolingo or Rosetta Stone. They offer speaking exercises and pronunciation practice to help you improve your skills. Recording yourself while speaking English is a fantastic way to identify areas for improvement. Listen to your recordings and work on your pronunciation and clarity. Expand your vocabulary. Expanding your vocabulary is crucial for effective communication. Learn new words and phrases every day, and use flashcards or vocabulary apps for retention. Practice pronunciation. Utilize online resources or pronunciation guides to refine your pronunciation of tricky words and sounds. Think in English. Last but not least, try to think in English rather than constantly translating from your native language. This mental shift will help you become more fluent. There you have it, folks, our top 10 tips for improving your English speaking skills. Remember, mastering a language takes time and patience, so don't be too hard on yourself. Keep practicing, keep learning, and soon you'll find yourself speaking English fluently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Digital Minds channel for more language learning tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.